So today I'm going to be talking about automation and how automation affects manufacturing and all the jobs today. So what is automation? It is the use of machines to perform a process automatically, and a lot of industries use these, including manufacturing, food, chemical, paper, also the transport industry with the automotive and space industry, and also with defense, including the government and contractors. So here we have the evolution of automation. Here you can see in 1950s, you would employ a group of people to weld a car together. Compare that to 2014, where you have machines now welding the car together, so you eliminate all the need for people and introduce machines. Like here you can see the 2014 where robot assemblies line at the Ford Rogue Center in Dearborn, Michigan in 2014. Here are some companies that employ automation. You have some major American companies and also foreign companies. You can see companies like Boeing and Ford that are American, but you also see some European countries like Safran, which is French, Sinopec, which is Chinese, and Toyota, that is Japanese, that are innovating in this field. Some specific tasks these machines can do is machine welding, arc welding, painting, part inspection, assembly, packing, material removal, and drilling. So this is what they can do right now, but in the future they probably can do way more. So automation is increasing, and is going to be increasing in the future. So currently fewer than 5% of all occupations can be automated using the current technology. However, it's 60% of all occupations can have 30% or more of their constituent activities automated. So that means 60% of all jobs can have part of it automated, meaning less people are needed to complete a certain job. And by 2030, up to 80 million of those jobs could be eliminated due to automation. And this is where the fear comes in. People are scared that their jobs are going to be eliminated. So here you have a machine doing a job that is considered a person needed job, but here you can see a machine is clearly able to serve a drink to a person who's just been laid off by another machine. It's not all bad news, because these machines also have a benefit to them. They reduce the waste caused by human error, so machines are more exact and perform better. There's no need for times or breaks off, so these machines could go 24/7 as long as they don't break down. There's less risk to human life, so if the job is dangerous, less humans are needed to be exposed, and they're cleaner and more exact with their work. Here's some jobs that are expected to be eliminated. These are high-risk jobs that are seen to be automated in the future, like telemarketers, cashiers, and fast food cooks. But there's good news. Since we're chemical engineers, there's only a 1.7% chance of us being replaced by automation. So us as chemical engineers are future-proof from automation. And is there any questions? Yes?
You talked about a lot of jobs that would decrease. Are there any jobs we would see that would increase because of automation?
Yes, computer programming is going to be a huge factor in automation. You need to be able to program these machines correctly and precisely. So if any job is going to be increased, it's going to be computer programming. And also, I think chemical engineers are going to increase this too.
Awesome.
Thank you. Is any other questions? All right, thank you then.